Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create and print checks on QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over to expenses, then just start a new transaction, then click on check. So from here, all you have to do is fill out all the necessary information such as payee, bank account, mailing address, but it should automatically be filled out once you selected a payee, and also the category and description. Then once done, you have an option to save or save and close. We're just going to click on save. And at the bottom, you can easily print the check by clicking on print. So we can see a preview of our check, and all you have to do is click on print. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!